Hello students, welcome to Exergic Aptitude channel. Indian Oil has released the notification for recruitment of engineers and officers through GATE 2021. Let us go through the detailed advertisement and cover the important points. The first thing to note here is that this advertisement is not only for the recruitment of engineers and officers but also for graduate apprentice engineers. So few candidates will also be selected as GAEs. Candidates must have qualified in GATE 2021 in any of the 5 disciplines that have been mentioned here, which are chemical, civil, electrical, instrumentation as well as mechanical. Two important points to keep in mind here. Firstly, GATE marks of previous years are not eligible. So GATE 2020 or previous years are not eligible. Only marks of GATE 2021 are eligible. And secondly, students who have qualified in GATE 2021 in any of the disciplines apart from these 5 are not eligible to apply. Now the qualifying degree is obviously a BE or a BTech, but the branches have been quite specifically mentioned in this advertisement. So you need to go through these points very carefully. For example, for mechanical engineering, they have not included, they have excluded automation, automobile, industrial, manufacturing, power, production engineering and so on. So these are the branches which are not eligible to apply under mechanical engineering. Similarly, they have mentioned for chemical, civil, electrical and instrumentation. For instance, for chemical engineering, they have included petrochemicals, polymer, plastic engineering but have excluded rubber, oil, paint technology and so on. So definitely whatever stream you have done your BE or BTech in, go through this point carefully and see whether you are eligible to apply or not. And they have specifically mentioned that candidates having qualifying degree from a discipline apart from the ones that are mentioned above are not eligible to apply. Now what about students who have completed their MTech or are pursuing their MTech? The important thing is the discipline in which he or she has done their BE or BTech in. They've given an example also. For instance, you've done an MTech in power systems, which is not eligible, but BE BTech is in electrical as well as your GATE 2021 is in electrical, which in turn is a eligible discipline. Then you are eligible for the post as well. So your BE BTech degree should be in one of the disciplines that has been mentioned. Your GATE 2021 discipline should also be one of the 5 disciplines mentioned. Your ME or MTech can be in any other discipline also. What about students who are doing a dual course or an integrated course? For them also their BE or BTech should be in one of the engineering disciplines which have been mentioned. Also they should be completing their degree by 30th September of 2021. Now at the end of your integrated course, if you are given 2 separate certificates, if you are given 2 separate degrees, then the CGPA for the BTech is going to be considered. And if you are given a single degree, then your CGPA for the final MTech is going to be considered. The upper age limit for general and EWS candidates is 26 years as on 30th June 2021. The relevant relaxations for different reservation candidates has been mentioned. The minimum qualifying marks for general, OBC and EWS candidates is 65% and for SC/ST it is 55%. If you are in your final year or your final semester, then also you are eligible to apply provided that you get your final mark sheet by 30th September 2021. Physical fitness is a very important part of the entire recruitment process by IOCL. So you are requested to carefully go through the pre-employment medical examination guidelines which will be available on the registration portal under the guidelines and criteria for physical fitness. Go through each and every point carefully as they have clearly mentioned that this medical report is required to be submitted by the candidate at the time of joining. So the entire application process is online, so make sure that you have good internet connectivity. What happens sometimes is we fill the entire application process and when we hit the submit button, the internet connection is not there. So the entire application is not submitted, but at the same time our mobile number or our email ID gets registered on their portal. And they have mentioned very clearly that request for change of mobile number or ID will not be entertained. So when you're going to sit with filling the application form, keep all relevant documents within your arm's reach and make sure that you have a good internet connection before you hit the submit button, make sure that you have good internet connection. Now, along with scanned photographs, scanned signature, your official valid documents like Aadhaar card, you also need your GATE registration number and your GATE marks. Also, you must keep the PDF format of the online application form carefully with you after you have submitted for any future reference. Now, the selection process includes a group discussion, a group task, as well as a personal interview. All shortlisted candidates have to sit for the GD, GT, as well as PI. On our Exergic Aptitude YouTube channel, we will be bringing a lot of videos to help students through the GD, GT and PI process. This will be useful for you not only for exams like IOCL, but also for any other interview that you will be appearing for, especially your college placement examinations. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you get a notification whenever we upload a video. Now, before the GD, GT and PI process, there is something called a document verification process, in which all relevant and valid documents need to be presented by the candidate. So make sure that you have all documents, their original and photocopies ready with you, not only for the application, online application process, but also for when they call you, right? The final merit list will be prepared on the basis of the GATE 2021 marks, the GD, GT marks, as well as the final personal interview. The final CTC for engineers and officers is in the ballpark of rupees 15.20 lakhs per annum. As far as the graduate apprentice engineers are concerned, they will be receiving a fixed monthly stipend. The amount has not been mentioned. The entire application process starts on the 10th of July and the last date is the 26th of July 2021. This is the official Indian Oil website in which you will find the recruitment notification, recruitment of engineers or officers, as well as engagement as GAE. So if you click at the first link, you will get the official advertisement. If you click at the second link, that is where you need to click in order to apply. The applications are going to start on the 10th of July. IOCL is one of the most coveted job opportunities for engineers. Go through the detailed advertisement carefully, go through each and every point carefully at your end, and whatever documents, whatever relaxations you are eligible for, keep those in mind. Thank you so much for watching. All the best.